Hi, welcome to another SMC's How To video. Today we are going to show you how to switch the serial interface unit type from EX260 to EX600 on a new SY manifold. Let's start. First, unscrew the two hex head screws and lightly pulley the original EX260 unit from the supply and exhaust end block. Next, fix the EX600 mounting plate to the manifold using the two screws provided. Then, locate and push the new X unit into the mounting plate and onto the side of the supply and exhaust end block. To finish, fasten the replacement EX600 unit in place using the front and back screws located through the mounting plate. So, you've seen how easy it is to modify our SY valve manifold. Take a look at our other SMC's How To videos to see all the possibilities our products bring to you.